Open nail polish remover. Pour it on the cotton pads. Ooh, put it on the table. I think that's it. My shopping finally helped me out. That's the thing that sometimes messes me up. When I don't feel right about something and I do it, I always forget it afterwards. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna show you a little bit of my reset routine. I have a day off today and basically I want to do nothing too strenuous, nothing too stressful. I do want to get a little bit done, but it's something fun. I'll talk about that later. But yeah, I have been quite busy. I also got sick again last week and you know, I had like 2 days where I barely could do anything. I was just so sick. And then there was the JEMSOUTCOME concert. It was really fun, really great. But because my body has been, you know, really stressed through the different periods, and then, you know, it was that time of the month about to happen. By the time I got home from JEMSOUTCOME concert Saturday morning, I woke up with a cold sore on my nose and I was just like, great. And so my body let me know that I needed to calm down and kind of chill out a bit again. This week I've done mornings at work. Today I'm having a complete rest day. I'm just gonna chill and do absolutely nothing and not feel guilty about it. Okay, so the first step to my reset is to do like a low maintenance tidy. I cleaned my room a bit, just arranged things. And now I'm just going to remove my nail polish because they're starting to chip and I don't really like it when it looks like that. And I'm just gonna wipe them off and get ready to repaint them again in the weekend. A quick how to remove nails tutorial. Nail polish remover, cotton pads, open nail polish remover. Pour it on the cotton pads and wipe like so in a circular motion. And that is how to remove nail polish from your fingertips. Yay, we removed the first one, so. Alright, so for my skincare today, I'm going to use these 4 products. I'm going to start with a toner, do a serum, do a cream, and sunscreen to finish off. Starting with the toner, I've got a routine video about this. You can go check out the routine video. Next is serum. A little bit today. I have been using the Sun By Me serum for ages, so I've got a couple of routines using them, and I also have a new one up. This. In my new Sun By Me routine, I've showed you guys this product, so that's what I'm going to use this morning as well. Ooh. Watch that routine video. I don't have my glasses on, so I actually cannot see what I'm doing. This is always really funny, doing skincare, not being able to see. And last sunscreen, CosRX. Ooh, put it on the table, splashing everywhere. CosRX is in like everything. I think everything's blended, I cannot see. Okay. My skincare's done and I feel really refreshed and I'm ready for the rest of the day of doing nothing. Okay, so I'm going to try to do something and I don't even know if it's gonna work. But I'm trying anyway to see if I can find something. I just haven't found anything. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, I'm about to do it. Alright, okay, I'm about to do it. Okay, just double checking. Quickly double checking everything's right. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know what that is. Oh my god, you know what? We'll check the ticket to see if it's right. Okay. Waiting. Oh my god. I'm trying to call Diana, she's not looking out. Let me try calling her again. Okay. Yo, girl! You picked up! I said I booked my ticket just now. And so basically, I've added an extra day, because remember, I wanted to just go for like 2 days, and I'm going for 3 days. And I only paid, guess how much? No, I had to pay a little bit, £35 for tickets.
What day?
Tuesday till Friday.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to Italy. Okay, I don't see anything in my confirmation emails just yet. I'll wait a couple of days. But yeah, basically I'm going to Italy. Your girl is finally going to catch a flight. It's been over 2 years. Over 2 years. I'm finally going to leave London just for a couple of days. I'm so emotional right now. Got this deal because I've got points with my British Airways card. You know how everyone's been talking about, you know, don't use debit cards, use credit cards because you get all these points and things like that. It works. And it's true because these flights, well, not from with them anyway, like with the other ones I was looking at, different airlines, it was going to be over like £100 and something. And I was just like, it's only like a 2-hour flight. It just doesn't make sense to be spending over £100 for like a 2-hour flight. And I could go with a cheaper airline and stuff like that, but I just wasn't sure. And I was like, I've got British Airways card. I've got this, like, let me just do it for BA. And BA was looking rather expensive, but I've still managed to find something because of my points. I think that's it. My shopping finally helped me out. So I'll be there for 4 days. Italy vlog coming soon. So excited, oh my god, I miss traveling so much. All right, so yeah, that was some exciting news. Now I'm going to meditate. I'm just gonna sit and do positive meditation and maybe do another one. I haven't done this one before, so hopefully I like it. I haven't meditated in ages. I thought I was gonna do one for anxiety, but nope, I'm not feeling anxious right now.
Let your sit bones feel balanced on either side. Spine tall and straight. Shoulders rolling back slightly to open up that beautiful heart of yours. Letting your palms rest in your lap, facing open. And as it feels good to you, lovingly close your eyes. Just for now, focus on your breath. How does it feel? What do you notice?
That meditation was really good. I did another one, I did 2. I'm feeling great. I'm on top of the world right now because for me, wanting to travel has been such a big thing. Like, I've just been waiting for the right time and right opportunity. It's really cool that I'm able to do this, and saving some money on flights just makes the process a lot easier. It's actually really funny because I almost bought it a couple of hours ago, like at midnight. I was gonna buy it through another airline, but I just didn't feel right about it. Like, I wasn't gonna have any baggage. Like, I literally could only take a really small bag. It was like £106. And I was just like, it's a 2-hour flight. Why am I paying so much for 2 hours? I just don't think I should be paying that much and not be allowed to have baggage. So I didn't feel right about buying those tickets. And so I decided to look at the BA flights again today. And I was like, let me see if I can find a way to use my Avios. That's the thing that sometimes messes me up. When I don't feel right about something and I do it, I always forget it afterwards. And then there's some times when I'm just being scared and I'm too anxious, but it's the right move and I'm not sure still. And so I'm really needing to get back into meditation to be able to just like center myself and be at peace and not be anxious, so I can like discern the 2 voices. I want to be able to know when something's not right versus when I'm just feeling anxious. Getting those tickets earlier with the other flight company would not have been right, and I knew I could get more for my money. I'm glad I waited, and I knew that it wasn't just me being anxious. And anyway, meditation was great. I'm feeling really good. I'm just gonna quickly plan for tomorrow, and then I'm gonna have a nap. So tomorrow, I think I'm gonna focus on the skincare video. This skincare video, it's been ready. It's overdue. It's so late for me to finish it. I just need to record the voiceover for it and edit it. Yeah, I want to get that finished because I did the thumbnail yesterday. And so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, remember to like, comment, subscribe, ring in the notification bell so you know when I post, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.